Uninstall software in safe mode that might be causing Windows to lock up or freeze. In Windows, select Start and then select the power icon. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key, and then from the Windows Power menu, select Restart. Select Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings, or if Startup Settings does not display, select See More Recovery Options and then select Startup Settings. Select Restart. On your keyboard, press the 4 key to restart the computer in safe mode. Once booted into safe mode, select Start, type Control Panel, and select it from the results. Select Programs and Features. Select the software you want to uninstall. If you are experiencing lockups as a result of malfunctioning software, take note of the Installed On date for the software you are uninstalling. If another application was installed the same day the lockup started, that application might be contributing to the lockups and should be uninstalled. Select Uninstall or Uninstall Change to remove the application. Continue uninstalling any desired software or software that contributes to the lockups, and then restart the computer.